Halong Bay, located in northeastern Vietnam, is known for its beautiful waters and thousands of towering limestone islands topped by rainforests. This natural wonder has been a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1994 and draws millions of visitors each year. Today, we'll be taking a closer look at one of the most popular ways to experience Halong Bay on a luxury cruise. From the stunning scenery to the onboard amenities, we'll show you what it's like to explore this breathtaking destination in style. We'll take you on a tour of our ship where you'll see the luxurious cabins, the expansive deck areas and variety of amenities available. You'll get a glimpse of some of the activities we enjoyed like kayaking, cooking classes, tai chi and fishing. So, sit back, relax and join us on this unforgettable journey through one of the world's most stunning natural wonders. This is Halong Bay like you have never seen it before. Our journey on Era Cruise began with a warm welcome from the friendly staff as we boarded the ship. We were asked to make our way into the ship's stunning dining room for a brief introduction to the facilities on board. As we took our seats, we were delighted to discover that each passenger had a table reserved for them with their names on it. This personalized touch made us feel truly valued as a guest. We were then treated to a 5-course meal featuring some of the best cuisines Vietnam has to offer. From fresh seafood to traditional dishes made with locally sourced ingredients, the meal was a true culinary delight. Welcome to a luxurious cabin on board the Era Cruise. As you step inside, the first thing you will notice is the spacious living area, elegantly designed with plush sofas and all kind of furnitures. But the star of the show is the panoramic views of Halong Bay and the sea visible through the large windows of the cabin. Step onto your private balcony to experience the ultimate view of Halong Bay and the sea. The vastness of water stretching out before you, the beautiful limestone cliff and calmness of sea will leave you in awe. The luxurious bathroom is equipped with high-end toiletries and a spacious shower. But the cherry on the top is the breathtaking view of sea through the bathroom window. After breakfast, we were provided with life jackets, paddles and kayaks. And we set off to explore the bay's hidden lagoons, caves and towering limestone cliffs. Kayaking in the tranquil waters of Halong Bay was the highlight of this luxury cruise. We paddled through stunning scenery and got up close with the unique wildlife of the area. It was a truly unforgettable adventure. After the kayaking experience, we went up to the deck and enjoyed the stunning views of the bay during the sunset. Later, we participated in a cooking class where we learned how to make traditional Vietnamese dishes, followed by the delicious dinner with our fellow passengers. To wrap up the day, we tried our hand at squid fishing under the starry sky. And guess what? We even caught a few. We woke up to the stunning view of Halong Bay from our cabin and started the day with a Tai Chi class on the deck. As the sun started to rise, we climbed up to the top of the deck to witness one of the most beautiful sunrises we have ever seen. I hope you liked a journey through Halong Bay, and here are some footages for you to enjoy. Until next time, happy travels.